Hey guys, this is North back again with another video. Today's video, I'm just going to do a brief unboxing of a new summertime fragrance that I recently discovered just by going around and sampling different fragrances, going into different perfume shops. And so I wanted to unbox it because I thought it was just a great, for me, it's an essential now summertime fragrance. And so I'm happy to show it to you and unbox it and just give you I've already sniffed it, but just another initial impression of what I get from it. And this is from the house of Dior, and this one is called Eau Sauvage Cologne. So the main reason I'm talking about Eau Sauvage Cologne is because I hardly see any reviews about it on YouTube. I think I've seen two, and both of those were either 2 years ago or 5 years ago. And this is just a killer summertime scent from what I could tell. And everybody talks about Eau Sauvage, the original, the Eau de Toilette, and Eau Sauvage, the Parfum. I do have the discontinued 2007 or whatever year it came out, the black label one. I do have that one. And this is just completely different. So let's go ahead and get it open, quit wasting time. And here we are. All of the bottles have this same design except for this cologne one has the white belt around it, this snake skin. Oh, the other ones seem more snake skin. This one just seems like ribbed. It's almost still like snake skin. Just very clean white presentation. And so I just came across it, decided to smell it for some reason. Cologne. It's the summertime, so I get kind of obsessed with trying to find new summer citrus scents. And of course it has the magnetic top like all the rest of them. And let's go ahead and spray it on real quick. It's just a wonderful uplifting citrus scent. You know, some people say that these lemony scents remind them of like pine sol or whatever, something like that. That may be the case, but this one I just love. There's something different about it from other like lemon based like citrus scents. So let's go ahead and go through the notes. Here we have bergamot, grapefruit, mandarin orange. It also has petitgrain, hedione, galbanum, pink pepper, and vetiver. And you do get like a slight spiciness from it right in the beginning, but that sort of dies out, and then you get a long lasting, just pure citrus eau de cologne sort of smell. I believe this is an eau de toilette concentration. I don't know if it tells you on the box. Let me take a look. I don't think it cannot be a eau de cologne, because I think that this lasts too long and is too powerful to be a cologne concentration. It has to be at least an eau de toilette. If you know, please let me know in the comments. So those are the notes. And Hedione is a floral, galbanum is a floral, it has that pink pepper in it. So again, it has that spiciness to it and has the backbone of a little bit of vetiver in it. But the main stars here are the citruses, the orange, the grapefruit, and the bergamot. This one for me, it's up there as far as citrus based summer scents go. This is something that I'd never heard of. I didn't know that there was a cologne. There aren't a lot of people putting them on their summer list. And also, I thought maybe it was like discontinued or hard to find, but I saw it on like one US site. I got this, actually the Bloomingdale's didn't have it locally, but some other spots had it. That's how I was able to sample it. But this is a beautiful, one of a kind citrus scent. It's not completely original because it's a cologne style, but if you're looking for a long lasting cologne fragrance in the style of like a 4711, the original, but just much better quality and longer lasting, you should definitely check out Eau Sauvage Cologne. You should, if you get a chance, definitely sample it. This is one that is going to get some wear this summer. Just for me, initially spraying it the first time and walking around, smelling it. When I started to Google it, I was looking for a 200 ml bottle because, as you know, these citrus scents, you go through a lot of it. I only saw a 500 ml bottle, and it was like $1 a milliliter, so you can do the math. So have you tried Eau Sauvage Cologne from Dior? Let me know, what do you think of it. If not, again, just let me know in the comments, have you tried this? Do you like cologne style fragrances? For me, this is my go-to for summer scents, especially citrus forward scents. I'll try to come with my list sometime soon. That's pretty much it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.